I'm Dr. David Wank, and let's take a first look at SiteKit by Google for WordPress. So I did a search for SiteKit, and I clicked install. Let's go ahead and activate the plugin and see what it looks like. We've successfully installed SiteKit, and you can see here, there's a SiteKit dashboard. Let's click that and see what it brings us. Let's go ahead and set up our SiteKit. I'm going to sign into my Google account. So I authorize that I own Short Hills, I authorize my account data, and I authorize Search Console. Let's take a look and see in my dashboard now. I'm not going to connect AdSense. I do want to connect Analytics. So let me click that. Even though I'm running Monster Insights as my Analytics plugin, I do want to connect my account. What I want to do is make sure it's bringing in my data, but not necessarily adding a secondary tracking code. Because I do use Monster Insights for tracking code, and I'm very happy with Monster Insights because one of the things it does that's terrific is that it allows you to visit the site, and if you're an administrator or if you're logged into the site, it's not going to track your data and analytics as a visit or a session, which is great. So if you visit your site 10 times in a day to check something, those are going to register as sessions. So at least if you've got the Monster Insights plugin, that's not going to happen, which is great. All right, so here I am in my account, and I actually have two views. Let's just go with I like my no bots in my hostname filter view. We'll configure that. Okay, Analytics is set up, and I will do page speed insights later. I'm sure that comes in as the exact same way. So let's take a look and see what data this is going to give us. This is real data from Short Hills, so let's see. Giving me my traffic overview in the last 28 days. It's pretty cool. Impressions, unique visitors from search, most popular pages, most popular content. Very cool. All right, so this is great because I get a overview of where people are coming from. So there we go. That's pretty much what I like here is that it's giving you your top search queries from Search Console, but it's also giving you your most popular content, the most popular pages on your site, which is great. It's one of the things we do with SEMrush for our SEO clients. So I'm really curious about settings now. As I said, one of the things you can do is add Google Optimize. And let's see, connect more surfaces, admin settings. Yes, I want to connect Google Optimize. So Tag Manager, we use Tag Manager also, but let me set up Optimize. Google Optimize is great. The problem is that before this, assuming this works well, configuring it is fairly complicated. With Tag Manager and a bunch of other things, it's not just a plugin. So let's take a look here. So, okay, so I'm going to check this out and I'll be back. So here's my Google Optimize ID. I created a Google Optimize project in the back there. And let's take a look and make sure that that is connected. Settings. Yep, and it's connected. And let's go ahead and just configure Tag Manager to see if that works as well. So Tag Manager, it's going to configure it without having to add the Tag Manager code. I already have Tag Manager in here, so I don't need to do that. And let's connect Page Speed Insights just for fun. Of course, I disagree a lot of what with Page Insight says in general, but there you go. So it's going to prepare it for the home page for Page Speed Insights. So SiteKit has now been installed. I think it can be pretty useful for someone who logs onto your website a lot. I think it's pretty useful to get the data directly from Search Console and Analytics. I did like that. I do like this summary data. But again, that's up to you. And any questions, as always, please just let me know.